If your stairs are curved and you're not sure if stairlifts go around corners, you'll be pleased to learn that they do. The Oto Air is a great model for curved stairs with its slimline rail design and sleek appearance. No wonder it's one of our most popular models. So let us show you why the Oto Air might be the best for your stairs. Why choose the Oto Air? The Oto Air is a stylish lift. Not only does it look good, but it is so easy to use too. Every rail is configured to suit your stairs. So no matter how many bends you may have, we can fit flat landings, fan shapes, narrow, spiral, and even multi-flight staircases. The single tube rail design has the smallest diameter of any single curved rail model at just 6 centimeters. So the low profile rail sits nice and neatly into your home. The rail can travel on either side of your stairs with many different start and end positions available to get the best fit for you and your stairs, and our surveyor will advise on the best solution. The chair and footrest fold up when not in use, or you can leave it all unfolded and ready to go. A powered footrest raiser comes as standard on this model, which works by the touch of a button. This model also offers the option to power swivel to a downward facing position if your stairs are particularly narrow. To operate, simply sit in the seat, fasten the seatbelt and press the arm control in the direction of travel with constant pressure. Depending on the rail end position, you may have a non-swivel fixed seat, a manual swivel seat or a power swivel seat, and our surveyor will discuss which option will be the best for your needs. A manual swivel is operated by a lever at the side of the chair and swiveled like you would an office chair. The upgraded power swivel option will automatically swivel the chair around when you keep the control pressed as you reach the end of the rail. The footrest may stay level with the top step or swivel with the chair. The seat upholstery is available in fabric or white clean vinyl in a choice of colours or optional leather. The remote call sign controls can be used if there are 2 people in the house or to park the lift out of the way when it is not being used. All stairlifts are battery powered and charged by parking the lift on a charge station, normally at the top and at the bottom of the rail, and sometimes at an intermediate or mid-landing charge station. A battery charger unit will run from the main socket in your house and connect to the rail charging system. If you have a power cut, the lift will still work. If you are wondering why is the stairlift bleeping, that's because there is an audible alarm to tell you that there is no power coming through, so the lift is either off a charge station or the power is switched off. So are stairlifts safe? Did you know that they are built with a host of safety features with you in mind? Every model has a safety belt that should be worn when using the lift. There are precious safety edges around the footrest and carriage, so if you meet an obstruction on the stairs, it will stop automatically to prevent trapping hazards. The controls are constant pressure, so you can stop the lift at any time by releasing the controls. Additionally, on the Oto Air, there is an emergency stop button. To ensure your complete safety, you should have your stairlift serviced and safety checked every year as recommended by safety standards. We offer service and maintenance as part of our aftercare service to you. All models have a safe weight limit, and this model will hold a person up to 125 kilograms, that's around 19.6 stone. So in summary, the Oto Air is a sleek and stylish lift with the smallest single tube rail on the market. All models are made to suit your stairs and can be made and installed in a few weeks. So how do I buy the Oto Air and how much does it cost? We offer a free, no obligation quotation, and to get an exact price, We'd need to do a survey and assessment with you to check that this model will best suit you and your stairs, taking all the measurements into account. Making sure you get the right model is critical to your comfort and safety, and that's why a thorough assessment is done to get it perfect for you. There are so many different rail designs we can do with different options available, and we'll run through all of this with you. You can also try out this model in our showroom in Cairn in Wiltshire. So what are you waiting for? To organise an assessment or to book a showroom visit, please pick up the phone and call us today on 0800 019 2210.